Welcome to the International English Language Testing System conducted by Maulik English Academy. It is a mock IELTS test. Today I am your examiner. Our today's exam will held in three parts. Before that, I will ask you some personal questions. Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
What's your name?
Well, my name is Shoaib Islam, but everybody calls me as Shokru.
Uh, are you working or studying?
Well, I'm not working, I'm studying at grade 6 at Manipur High School and College.
Which is your favorite? What can I say? Your favorite subject?
Well, my favorite subject is English because if we learn English now, then it will be helpful for future because in higher education, all the books are written in English.
Where are you from?
Well, I was born in Natur, but I live in Dhaka now due to
Alright.
my father's job and my study.
Alright, now I'm going to ask you some questions about your favorite things. Uh, what is your favorite food?
Well, my favorite food is rice and fish and curry.
Uh, which is your favorite color?
Well, my favorite color is blue.
Uh, which is your favorite sports?
Well, my favorite sports are cricket and football.
Alright, what is your hobby?
Well, my hobby is playing video games or art drawing.
No, it's enough. Let's move to the part one. In the first part, I will ask you some questions about leisure. Your first question is: do you have any hobbies or interests?
Yes, I have hobbies like playing video games or drawing, and I'm interested at watching English series and movies.
How did you become interested in English, watching English series?
Well, I became interested in that just to develop my English because in English series or movies, they use a lot of new English words. So if we watch them, we can learn a lot of English.
What is there to do in your free time in your hometown or village?
Well, in my hometown or village, actually I play with my cousins or swim in the river. Also, I play video games with my cousin.
Alright. How do you usually spend your holidays?
Well, I usually spend my holidays with my family, going to visit new places or playing Ludo together, etc.
Is there anywhere you would particularly like to visit?
Yes, there's a place I particularly like to visit, which is the ICT park because almost every holidays, our whole family go to ICT park, and there's also a park named Oiko Holiday Market. We can get a lot of things from there.
Alright, let's move to the part 2. In this part, I will give you a cue card. You have 1 to 2 minutes for think about it. If you want, you can make some notes. And your time is up. You can start.
Well, I want to describe the Cox's Bazar Sea. Well, there's also a sea beach in there. This sea is at Cox's Bazar. At previous year, our whole family went to Cox's Bazar, and we had a great fun there. Especially the swimming in the sea and the hotel. Swimming in the sea was very special, and especially the hills located near the sea. We also visited them and had a great fun. Yes, that's why I like this sea very much, and especially because of the big waves of the sea.
Alright, let's move to the part 3. In this part, I will ask you some questions about water-based leisure activities.
Yeah.
Uh, what do people enjoy doing when they visit rivers, lake, or the sea? Why do you think these activities are popular?
Well, I think that people enjoy swimming in the river, lake, or sea because if we swim, because swimming in the river, especially with family, is really fun, and it's also a kind of physical exercise which makes our bodies also strong.
All right. Uh, what benefits do you think people get from the activities they enjoy in the water?
I already said that people enjoy swimming in the water, and as it's a physical exercise, it's a great exercise for us. It makes our body and our bones strong, and it's also a lot of fun.
Uh, what are the different advantages of going to the sea or to the swimming pool to enjoy yourself? What do you think the disadvantages are?
Well, if I talk about the sea advantages, then there is a large place of the sea to swim, and the big waves of the sea. It is very fun to go through of this, but these big waves of sea also kill a lot of people by dashing them to unknown places. But if you talk about swimming pool, it's a small place, but it's very safe, and there's also a safety band for new beginners.
All
And
right.
I don't think that there is a little disadvantages of swimming pool.
Let's move to the another discussion topic called producing food. Your first question is, how does water transport, like boats and ships, compare with other kinds? Are there any advantages or disadvantages of water transport?
Well, except water transport, there are two transport other kinds, and such as road transport and air transport. If we talk about the advantages of road transport, well, it is very fast and we can carry a lot of things, but it also causes accident and a very big jam. And if we talk about the air transport, then it's also same, but if any part of the plane is damaged, then it is very risky for us. It can also crash on the land. But if we talk about the water transport, it is fully safe and we can carry a lot of things. So that's why I think that water transport is better than these kinds.
Alright. How important is it for a town or city to be located near a river or the sea?
Yeah, it's very important for a country, for a city or town to be located near the river, because if we look at our previous culture, we can see all the cities grew up near the river because they farmed near the river. And if we talk about modern generation, then we have to transport many things through water. Like there's a lot of companies are being created, and they also need to transport many things, so you know that they transport things from water, and there is also no traffic jam on water, which and it makes it more faster.
Have there been any changes in the number of jobs available in fishing and water transport industries? Do you think?
Yeah, I think that there's some big change of the numbers of these jobs.
Why do you think this?
Yeah, well, I think that because that uh, the population is growing up from today to another day, and as the population is growing up, we need more food. So that's why we have to fish. We have to catch fish more. So that's why the new companies are created just to sell fishes. And if you talk about water transport, and I already said the population is growing up, and also the companies are growing up, and they need to transport many things. So water and transportation jobs are also growing up, and there's a big change in the numbers.
And
So
it is
that's
the
it.
end of our exam. Thank you.